Hey, it's Chris Roselli here with my lovely assistant Mercy, and we're going to demonstrate how to do the reinforcement exercise for the external oblique muscle. So what I'm having Mercy do to start is just sitting down with her legs straight out. Okay, if you have any back issues or any kind of pain or discomfort in this position, you can do this from a seated position with your knees bent. It's totally fine. If that's not an issue for you, I would prefer that you do it this way though. Okay, so what I'm going to have Mercy do is go ahead and cross her arms on her chest, okay, and then what she's going to do is she's going to rotate her trunk so that she's all the way to one side, okay, and then what she's going to do is she's actually going to take this hand and she's going to put it right there on her shoulder, okay, so what she's going to do is she's going to actually rotate her trunk and twist and kind of firmly brace the shoulder, just enough so that she actually is kind of pushing into that hand, and the hand's just staying firm, okay? And while she's doing that, she's kind of contracting these muscles in here in the abdominal area, and she's going to be holding that for a count of 6, repeating that 6 times. Now, if at all possible, if you can find a prop of some sort to actually rotate into, that's going to be better than using your hand, but in the absence of that, go ahead and just use your hand. That's going to be a totally okay substitute. Okay? And then what she's going to do is once she does the 6-second contraction, she's going to go ahead and rotate back to neutral, and then go ahead and rotate all the way over again and do that contraction again. Okay? And what she wants to try to avoid is any excessive shoulder motion. So she's not pushing with her shoulder, she's actually rotating with her trunk. Okay, it's 2 separate things. So if she starts to feel the squeeze kind of in the shoulder area, then she's probably using her shoulder a little bit too much. So she's going to want to use more of the trunk muscles so you can kind of get a squeeze in this abdominal area. Okay, so if you have any pain, cramping, anything like that, go ahead and stop. But if you're okay doing it, just go ahead and do it 6 times for 6 seconds. And do that once a day, okay? So this is the reinforcement exercise for the external oblique. Have fun doing that.